Select two 10-inch squares from your layer cake and flip them right sides together. Draw a diagonal line from corner to corner. We'll pin each side so they don't flop around, and then sew a 1/4 inch seam from both sides of the diagonal line. Perfect. Now, set the seam and cut right down through the middle, and you've got two really big ones. Set the seam with the dark fabric on the top, open and press towards the dark. Now, the best ruler to use to square them up is the 9.5-inch square up ruler. Place the diagonal line on the ruler on top of the seam and slightly trim, just sliver trim, two sides. Turn it around, place 9 on the outside edges, and sliver trim those remaining two sides. Your block is done. Now the rainbow border comes from one package of jelly rolls, perfect 2.5-inch strips. Cut them in half so that they're easier to manage, and then just sew those together into pairs. Just assembly line as fast as you can. Set the seam with the darkest fabric on top. Press all those pairs open. Lay out 6 pairs so you have 12 in a row. Flip those together and then press the seam in one direction. Now you're going to cut those into 6.5-inch segments. Just straighten the edge and cut from one edge to the other. You should get 3 of them from each half set of strips. The corners are also from jelly rolls. Just unsew 3 for 1/2 of a corner. So make a total of 8 with just 3 sections in it. Now, once you've got your little 3 sets of strips together, place them right sides together, lock those seams, and draw a diagonal line corner to corner. Stitch on the line. And then you can actually open them up, see if you like one half or the other better. Once you choose, cut a 1/4 inch away, open it up, and that's your corner. Now lay out your blocks. Your framing border is more jelly roll strips. Your rainbow border and your corners finish it off.